Welcome to Mostly Native. I'm Kelly, if we haven't already met. Today we're talking about 7 essential spring garden preparation tasks to get your garden ready for the growing season. Let's get into it. Tool inspection and preparation. Inspect your garden tools and equipment. Clean and sharpen any rusted or dull tools. Purchase a new blade for your lawnmower if need be. And you can also just take your lawnmower in for service and let them change your blade for you. Pruning. Prune your trees and shrubs. Remove any dead or damaged branches to encourage healthy growth. It's the perfect time to cut back your hydrangea paniculata as long as there's no new growth. You can also prune your smooth hydrangeas and any non-flowering bushes. Clean up. Clean up any excess debris and other clutter left over from winter. Move your branches to the back of the flower beds. They may be the home of some beneficial insects, and they will add free nutrients to the soil as they break down. Mulch. Use any leaves from fall as free mulch. Leaves provide the perfect nutrients to your soil, cover for beneficial insects, and helps the soil retain moisture and suppress weeds. If you opt to add wood chips, a dye-free option is best. Keep in mind that dyed mulch can contain harmful contaminants that can leach into the soil and harm or even kill your plants. Prepare your irrigation system. Inspect your irrigation system to make sure it's in good working order, whether it's underground or overground water hoses and sprinklers. This is the ideal time to fix any leaks or clogs and take note and purchase any additional supplies you may need. Fertilize your lawn. It's time to throw that fertilizer down. Your best bet is an organic fertilizer. This is going to be slow release naturally, so you don't have to worry about burning your lawn. And it's also great for the environment and your beneficial insects. Prepare to plant seedlings. Sketch out where you want to plant any seedlings in the garden. It's safe to start transplanting your seedlings to the garden beds once the temperature is consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor and like the video if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment, share your tips, and let me know what you would love for me to talk about. See you in the next one. Bye.